Yeah, the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment says they believe anyone who is exposed has been identified and they'll have to quarantine for 21 days. Now, the state and the district are shifting its focus to keeping students safe and in school.
It's definitely possible we could see more cases.
Two Broomfield High School students have the measles. The first case was identified Friday. According to the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment, that student had no connection to recent measles exposures in the state.
They did not travel outside the state. We don't have a clear source of infection. And that does suggest there is likely an unidentified measles case occurring or traveling through the state that we don't know about.
CDPHE Chief Medical Officer Dr. Ned Kalange says the second student was likely exposed at school. Neither were vaccinated. Kalange says most of their classmates are. Broomfield High has a 97% MMR vaccination rate, which could slow the measles spread.
Yeah, measles is so infectious that the most important kind of way to prevent it moving quickly through a community or a school is a high vaccination rate.
To keep students and staff safe, Boulder Valley Schools says they're disinfecting high-touch areas and increasing airflow. Kalange says the virus stays alive and active 2 hours after a person has left the room, making schools safe a day after exposure. Far more important, he says, that those exposed quarantine 21 days.
If we can get the students to quarantine at home, not come to school, then the school itself, as long as there aren't folks that we didn't know were exposed, they should be good.
Under state statute, all unvaccinated students and staff also have to stay home 21 days after a case is identified to stop the spread. That clock resets if another case pops up. Kalange says students can also come back after they've been vaccinated, a conversation he hopes these cases can start.
Let's try to use this as a good opportunity to examine whether or not we want our children and our communities protected from this very contagious disease.
Boulder Valley Schools says it's figuring out how they'll support those students at home learning over the next few weeks, and they hope to share a plan with parents later this week. CDPHE says local health departments and Boulder Valley Schools are talking about offering immunization clinics to help get remaining students vaccinated for measles. Rachel Krause, 9 News.